Paint a yellow pepper. Lightly sketch the outline, then paint water on the pepper area. For this painting, I'm using Daniel Smith Professional Watercolor in the following hues: New Gamboge, Indian Yellow, Cadmium Red, Quinacridone Magenta, and Sap Green. Before I start painting, I like to mix my color ahead of time. I aim for a juicy consistency, fluid and vibrant, but not drippy or overly creamy. Now let's begin. Start with the lightest color, New Gamboge, as your base layer. Once it's dry, gently glaze over with Indian Yellow, which deepens the tone while still keeping it luminous. Keep observing your pepper as you go. Notice how the colors shift and where the shadows fall. Move your brush in the direction of the pepper's curves to help define its form. Next, add a touch of sap green for variation, blending softly with your brush. Wet the stem and then let the sap green flow down, reserving a little bit of white for natural highlights. Once the pepper itself is dried, move to the shadow. Wet the area under the pepper and drop in a mix of gray with a hint of yellow. I like to pull a little color from the pepper into the shadow. It suggests a reflective surface and ties the two together. Build the shadow gradually, letting each layer dry before deepening it. Return to the pepper and keep layering where needed. Revisit the cast shadow with another layer of gray and yellow to anchor the pepper and enhance the sense of three-dimensionality. I hope this inspires you to pick up a pepper and enjoy the process of building form layer by layer.